the last step. I will introduce how to make the connection of the radar water flow sensors to the wireless model and how to see the real-time data in the website. And that is the radar water flow sensors. First, I introduce how to install it. And you can check it. We have sent you this install bracket, and you just install it. Install this bracket to the flow sensor, and here is used for to make the connection with your standard pole, and make the connection by your standard pole is okay. And pay attention that when you install it, here is a water bump, and that is used for to make sure the proposal, the water, the surface, the radar surface in the proposal with the water surface, and that is used for to make the adjustment. And then after you install it, the flow direction of the flow need inverse with here. For example, the direction in here need like in this direction, and then it can measure the water level, water speed. And also, as you have set the section of the open channel, it also can calculate the water flow according to your setting parameters. Okay, and also I will introduce what is the install height. The install height means from here to the bottom of your channel. To the bottom of your channel. Pay attention, it is the bottom of your channel. That is the install height. And for example, that is the water surface. And the radar just measures the distance from the water surface to the radar sensor. And then the water level means the install height minus this air part. Then it is the water level height. Okay, that is the proposal. And that is the water speed sensor, measure the water surface speed, and then calculate it according to a set parameters, calculate the water flow. That is the introduce of this one, and how to install it. After you install it, then you need to connect it with the wireless module. And this is a waterproof connector we have resolved. And that is the wireless module, and you just connect it. Okay, and just connect it to the waterproof connector is okay. Here is the power supply, and we resolved the power supply, and the red one is for the positive power supply, black is negative power supply. You can connect the solar panel, and we will also send you a power adapter you can use directly in your office. Okay, that is the connection, and that is the wireless module. In the second part, I have introduced how to set the APN and how to insert the SIM card. And after you set the APN and insert your SIM card, then it will be powered. The wireless module will be powered, and the data logger will also be powered. They use the common power supply. And after you power all of them, and after you power all of them, and all both of the devices use the common power supply. And after you power on them, all of them, the data logger will be stored the data by daily. And the wireless model will send the data to our server and the software. Then you can see the real-time data in the software. And pay attention, the wireless model, the 4G SIM card APN must be same with your SAT APN. And that is the whole connection of this system. Okay, the last and how to see the real-time data. And you just log in our website, and input your password and account and password, and then you see the screen, and that is the monitoring screen, and click here, and here will show the 2 DTU and 2 wireless model, and then here it will show the real-time data. That is the water city, water speed. That is the water level. That is the air height. And this one, add this one means install height. And that is in sentence flow. That is collimative flow. Okay, so that is the DTU1 and that is your DTU2. And you will see the 2 DTU date, 2 radar sensors from this directory. And also here is the data center, and that is the history date. You can see the history date and also download the history date by the website, and you can see the real-time date in just a website, but in the PC end also can be see the real-time date in the mobile end. This depends on your requirement. So that is the whole side of the introduce. How to make the config of radar sensor, how to make the config of wireless module, and how to connect them and see the real-time data in the website. And that is all. And if you have any problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.